Here I've got HUAWEI MatePad T8, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on the following device. So at first you have to open the messages, then tap on the plus icon to add a new one, go to text message, and now tap on the settings icon. Now go to the more settings, which is this icon, and click on languages. And here, if you would like to change the keyboard language, just tap on pre-installed languages. And here you've got all the options. Obviously, if you cannot find proper language for you here, just tap on all languages. And then you will be able to pick some other. As you can see, the list is pretty wide, so everyone will find something suitable. And let me pick, for example, Yiddish. And this is how it will look like, so let me go back. And let's open messages again. Let's pick Hebrew, and this is it. So as you can see, you've just changed keyboard dictionary in your device. Enjoy, and now just change it whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.